Just if you remember now, strike here. So
Okay, let's do it like this.
So guys, I'm eating my morning breakfast. This is water yam and red oil. Do
What do it and
as in for him to do it. So for one, the how YouTube. The one way we're in the village, our parents used to give us this kind of food, and sometimes we eat and we get tired of it. Water yam with red oil. But now it's a special meal, special delicacy. Doesn't matter the booba. Mami, turn a mask.
I want to see whether they put notification.
Turn the phone mask something. Where's your phone?
It's okay.
So guys, tell me, let's eat. This is very sweet though.
It's okay.
I want to prepare this one for me. So guys, tell me, let's eat. This is very sweet.
It's okay.
I want to prepare this one for me. What's a yam? Red oil. Try it and you'll see. Palm oil, yeah. But we call it red oil, so palm oil. What's a yam? Red oil. Can you see? Try it and you'll see. Palm oil, yeah. But we call it red oil, so Abu,
I'm trying to check.
People in the you now. Is this your phone? I'm working. See. Wow. 25 people are watching me right now. So guys, join me Let's eat. You know, if you're watching me and if you have, even if it's yam, even if it's not water yam, if you have water yam in your house, palm oil and then boil your water yam or boil your yam and get palm oil and put salt inside and eat it. Then you know what I'm talking about. Comment, let me know where you're watching me from. Pavan in Ingole. Good morning. Let me know where you're watching me from. Mm.
29 people.
Hmm?
29.
Mm. You know, you need to try this, all right? If you try it, come and thank me later. If you have not tried it before, once you have yam, you have red oil, which is palm oil. If you have palm oil, then you put your salt, boil your yam, and you're good to go. But the one I'm eating this morning is water yam. We call it in our local language agbo. What, what do you call water yam in your local language?
Your dialect.
Hmm? Yeah. Hello, man. Hmm? Mm. Hello, man. Hmm?
I'm coming. We drop. You know the thing they drop now. Drop to 40. Go fishing, mama pay. Okay. It don't do. Ma go back. This shamini. Movie that exists. Let me them should we increase to 16? Yeah.
Mm. Miroso. Falasso. All the way from the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Let me know where you're watching this from. And if you have tried this kind of meal before, just let me know. If I've eaten this kind of thing before. If you have, just let us know if I've eaten something like this. Because what I'm eating is just simple. I'm eating water yam with red oil, all right, which is called palm oil. Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll boil the water yam and then try to warm the red oil, which is palm oil. We try to warm, excuse me, we try to warm the palm oil. After warming the palm oil, we drop salt inside, just a little bit of salt, not too much salt. So when we drop the salt inside, then what we do, you just bring it and then voila, your food is ready. So you cut your water yam like this, then put in the red oil, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Yes, sir. Softly. You don't need to turn it hard. Then you take to your mouth. Mmm. Mm. 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 It's very sweet. It's very, very sweet. Eat something like this today, and you thank me later. Mm, 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 You know, if you love water yam, it's something you should try. All right. If you love yam, so guys, I finished eating my food. Hmm. Yeah, guys, if you love this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, the comment is very important. We just finished eating water yam and red oil, which is palm oil, as my breakfast this morning, and I enjoy what I eat. So it's very good. If you have palm oil, and if you have yam, if you have what do you call it, water yam, just cook it and then boil it, and then try to eat it with palm oil with a little bit of salt. Yeah, you need to drop a little bit of salt in this palm oil. Then you take one, two, three. Oh, one, two, three. This is a method of eating this thing. You take, this is one, then two, and three. All right. One, you pick the water yam. Two, you should put your hand into the palm oil. Then three, you put in your mouth. Simple as ABC. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Love you, and stay your beautiful, wonderful channel, Shimmering TV. Voila. Ndote. 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 Yeah, in this case on here. All right, so this is sachet water. All right, this is just sachet water that I want to take. I want to take drink. This is water. Yeah, in Nigeria we have the one in the bottle, and we have this one in the sachet. So we call this one sachet water, and sometimes we call it pure water. And you know, at times it's always written on it. Some people know they have stopped writing pure water. It's not the right table water, but before people write, you call it, what do you call it? Pure water. They believe that this water is pure, or maybe sometimes some people will produce fake one, but sometimes they believe that the water is pure. So that's what's up. So I need to get something to wash my hands. So turn the camera away. So I'll go to the dining. Oh, you know, I've just finished eating, so my wife just came and pick all the plates here. Pack. She came and packed all the plates, which is good. Beautiful. We're here in Nigeria. Sometimes, if you want to eat something in the morning, you tell your wife that, "Mom, please, this is what I want to eat today," and she prepares for you to eat, and then you eat. So that's how we do here. That's how start do. Oh, I enjoyed this meal, man. Jesus. Jesus. When you eat, you clean the table. You make everywhere clean. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. When I go to the office, then we'll discuss more. Alright? Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for keeping up to this channel. One love. God bless you.